And here's a 4-foot stair tread where I have it set up so that I'm cutting a corner shelf here, this corner shelf. Those two are going to have the bull nose on them. Then it's going to give me one large corner shelf with a flat edge. And it's going to give me two small corner shelves with the flat edge all the way around. So I get, out of one 4-foot stair tread, I get two bull nose corner shelves, one flat edge corner shelf, which is the same size as these two, except it's flat edged, and two smaller ones. And the waste out of this whole thing is right here, this strip. And it also gives you the inch thickness. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut one of the sides of my corner shelf with the bull nose on it. Try and get this situation so I can cut this next one. That looks pretty nice. I like the finish, you know, the rolled edge too. It's cool. The important ones to match are those rounded edge ones. This is a single. I'm going to cut on the left side of that. There's my two corner ones with the rounded edges. Two squared edge ones. And a third squared edge one. That's all out of one stair tread, 4-foot stair tread. Let me just show you how I finish those up. On the larger ones, I took a 1.5 inch or 1 3/4 inch wide strip, glued it, nailed it onto the bottom of the shelf, cut a little decorative edge on it so it just wasn't look so sharp. I did that on both sides. And instead of meeting these in the middle here, I just barely overlap them so that the distance from here to here would be the same. So these are exactly the same length. And on the back of the shelf, I just cut off this corner. That way you're not having to deal with any corner with your shelf, but everything is hidden. So you can get a little close up there of how that looks. Knock this back corner off. Don't meet these here coming into a corner or a 90. Just back them off and leave a little gap there. So when you put them on the wall, they sit right back tight. And there's a little gap in there. But that keeps that from hitting any imperfections in the corner where this wouldn't back right up nice and neat. Level on there a couple different ways. She's actually good that way. That looks excellent right there. That's going nowhere. I don't know if you can see that, but that's why you don't want to put your corners. If you don't have perfect corners, you want to cut that little edge off, that little corner on your shelf. That way it could set back farther against the wall. So I think that came out looking pretty good. I think that looks pretty good there in the corner. There, that shelf is in. There.